Hello friends, welcome to SuNi Art. This is SuNi. Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到 SuNi Art， 我是 SuNi。今天呢，要跟大家分享呢，如何让你这个已经拼贴的表面呢，看起来非常光滑，而且非常很滑顺啊，还有就是很滑啦，就是它不会黏黏的感觉。So today I'm going to share with you how you can make your decoupage surface very smooth, like see, very shining and smooth.And you don't feel the tissue at all， 然后你也不会感觉到有任何的餐巾纸，所以今天就来跟大家分享这个方式 ，OK？ 所以呢，现在呢，我们的这个拼贴的作品呢，拼贴了过后呢，我就会涂上亮光保护剂。Like this project, after we completed decoupage, we will do the varnish, right? So my style is like I like to varnish the normal varnish first.所以我的风格呢，我喜欢先涂上2层的这个 ，OK， 我这个呢已经涂上了2层这个保护剂。So I like my method and my style. I like to apply 2 layers of matte varnish first because we have the tissue. So it's better to use the matte varnish, okay? So apply 2 layers of matte varnish because just now I already applied 1 layer. So I will show you another layer. 刚才呢我已经涂了1-2层了，现在没有关系，我再来跟大家分享。So apply this varnish first, okay, on the whole surface to for a better protection. So usually I will apply many layers for good protection. 所以一般上呢，我会涂很多层，让它会更加的保护。第2层过后呢，可以加水，头2层呢就不加水。So the first layer, do not add water. When after the decoupage, do not add water. I mean, when you varnish, do not add water. But after the second layer, you can add water. 但是一拼贴过后呢，头2层呢是不需要加水的，过后加水都没有问题。After that, blow dry. 然后呢，先吹干。Okay, after blow dry already, I will apply this one few layers, this glossy varnish few layers. This one you can see very shining is because of the glossy varnish. 这件作品呢，你会看到它很发亮，然后它很光滑，就是因为我用了这个亮光保护剂 because I use this one. And here I apply around 3 layers only. It looks very shining already. 然后这里呢，你看到哈，我才大概有了2-3层，它就已经会非常光滑了。You see, very shining already.Okay, so this varnish make it very shining. 所以这样子的这个亮光保护剂呢，是让我们的拼贴好的作品呢，非常的有光泽，就是这样子呢。我会大概涂3层，每一层要吹干。So usually I will apply 3 layers. Every layer blow dry. Okay, same as the sides.然后全部边边的地方呢，都是要涂 ，OK， 就是这样子把它涂上去。So no need to mix water。这个保护剂呢是不需要加水的，不需要加水 ，no need to add water，OK。And same as the sides， 这些边边呢也是一样的做法 ，is the same method you do the sides，OK， 边边都是一样的。然后呢，就先把它吹干。Blow dry first, then we apply another 2 layers. 吹干了过后呢，我们再涂多2层。Okay, here already after 3 layers of the glossy varnish, you can see it's very shining already. 你可以看到哈，我涂了3层那个亮光呢，它其实是已经蛮亮了。但是呢，有一些那种保护剂呢，会用到你的素材上面，这里呢，它会有点黏黏的感觉。But some of the varnish, after you varnish, it might create like a stickiness, a bit sticky. Okay, you will feel a bit sticky. You won't feel very smooth. Okay, not smooth enough. So what we can do? So we have to wax it. Okay, we use the cream wax. Okay, so the cream wax we are using not only for the distressing effect. 所以呢，我们就要打蜡。你打了蜡过后呢，它就非常光滑，很顺、很滑，然后你就不会觉得很黏黏的。然后呢，它的质感不一样 ，and the texture you feel is very different. So this cream wax not only for doing like distressing effect like this. 所以这个 奶油蜡呢，一般呢，我们其实是用来脱蜡的。我们做这个技法 ，we are basically normally this cream wax, water-based cream wax we are using to do the distressing effect. But we also can use after waxing your decoupage surface, make it very smooth and it looks nicer. OK， 除了它可以做脱蜡呢，同时呢，我们也可以拿来打蜡。打蜡呢，让它呢看起来呢。更加滑，而且不会黏黏的 ，and also not sticky. Okay, not to get rid of the stickiness. Okay, so here you pour some of the cream wax on top of the decoupage surface. 所以你就倒了一些蜡上来，然后拿一片干布 ，take a dry cloth, yeah, dry, just apply all over. 然后呢，就整个铺上来，整个铺上来 ，OK， 整个铺上来，整个涂满。就要确保整个都有涂到哦 ，so you have to make sure you apply on the whole surface. Then after that, so after you apply on the whole surface, so just now here already wet. 所以你当它已经铺了整个素材上了过后，这里是湿的，不要用这里 ，here already wet, don't use here anymore. Find another place which is dry. 再找一个干的地方，干的，然后大力刷，大力打圆的去磨。So you have to press a bit, just waxing, wax it. So in circular motion. 所以就是这样子打圆的去打磨。Okay, wax it like this in circular motion. Okay. Then now you can feel it. The surface is very, very, very smooth. So the feel is totally different already. 所以你现在就可以感觉，哎，它真的是非常非常的光滑了。所以这个奶油蜡呢，你除了可以拿来做脱蜡，同时你也可以这样子拿来打蜡。So same time, the cream wax you can use to do a distressing effect. You also can use in this method. 也可以这样子做。OK， 全部边边的地方呢，也可以。So all this part, you also can put the cream wax first. Okay, put a little bit of cream wax. Then apply on the whole surface first, then only wax it. 然后把它整个涂满，整个素材涂满了过后呢，拿干的地方 ，then take a clean part and dry surface on the cloth and wax it. 然后就找一个干的地方呢，就是这样子打磨打圆，你就会发觉到那个你的木器非常光滑，你可以去试试看，你就可以知道它的感觉。You can try it, you feel it. You will know, then you come back and tell me. 然后你试了过后呢，你来跟我反应，然后给我知道它的效果 ，OK? So you try first, then you come back and let me know, OK? Come back and let me know how is it feel, OK? Thank you for watching. 感恩收看。